and tell you from 1999.
They came from Eleme, Gokana, Kana, and Tai, all the 4 local government areas that make up the Ogoniland. Cutting across the various political divides, these proud Ogoni sons and daughters have decided to honor their governor with a grand reception. It's their own little way of showing gratitude and passing a vote of confidence on Governor Nyesom Wike, under whose administration they've enjoyed many wonderful projects, including the strategic Sakmewa Bori to Kono Road project.
All the days I led Mossop, all the time I worked with you, I have always engaged each and every governor of this state, and every governor that I have always engaged always promised me they are going to do this route. And none of them did it. And only this one did it.
Your Excellency, I am here today because I know that you have helped my people and you have respected them when they needed respect. And for that reason, not just because of the project, I have come here today because I know that my presence here will make you happy and it will make our people happy.
The event is further expected to cement the good relationship between the Ogoni people and their Ikwere brothers and sisters. And as a reward for its good works, the Ogoni people have unanimously decided to honor their governor with the title of Mene Kwalin, meaning the king who does good things for his people. Thanking the people for the honor bestowed on him, Governor Nyesom Wike says he's proud of his achievements across Rivers State. And on the issue of his successor, Nyesom Wike says no individual can on his own decide who the next governor of Rivers State will be.
Let me tell you, and hear me well now, no one person will say who will be governor of this state. No one person. All of us will sit down and tell ourselves the simple truth. Not so. You talk. You talk. You talk. You talk. Then we'll do what? Aggregate. Not so.
He also wants Rivers people to be peaceful, united, and work for the greater good of the state.